Here comes the caravan.
Yeah, even a WR.
WWR caravan. The one in the front just flipped. It's part 2, guys. This one's okay, if you can see. All the way over there, we got the one that flipped. I was there when it flipped. It was very cool. Subscribe to my channel, please. Ah!
Yeah, crazy.
And this guy just showed his tits to the driver of this.
Hey, dude, is that the one that flipped at the checkpoint?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Good stuff. Good stuff.
Tight.
It did flip at the checkpoint, as we just saw. Very cool. Very cool.
Want me to see if you get a picture with him?